Hi, we are in a new chapter, comparative statements and common size statements. Comparative statements and common size statements are one of the modes of analysis of financial statements of an organization. In this video, we will discuss the preparation of comparative balance sheet of an organization. So let's go to the example sum. Example sum. From the following balance sheet of RX Limited, prepare comparative balance sheet. The balance sheet of RX Limited is given to us. The balances for the beginning of the year, 31st March 2019 is given, as well as at the end of the current accounting period, 31st March 2020 is given, and we are asked to prepare the comparative balance sheet. So let's go ahead with the solution. Solution. RX Limited comparative balance sheet as at 31st March 2019 and 31st March 2020. We have particulars and the note number. The first two columns we will reproduce the amounts given for 31st March 2019 we'll begin with, and 31st March 2020. The third column we will write the absolute change, whether it's an increase or decrease, and the final column will be the percentage change, increase or decrease. We will name the columns. 31st March 2019 we'll call it A. The 31st March 2020 we'll call it B. Absolute change, column C, is equal to column B minus column A, and the percentage change, column D, will be equal to the column C divided by the column A multiplied by 100. Let's begin by listing down the particulars. Roman number 1, equity and liabilities. We have 1 as shareholders' funds. A, share capital. The figures for 31st March 2019 is 2 lakh rupees, and for 31st March 2020 is 3 lakh rupees. Absolute change, increase or decrease, column C is B minus A, which comes up to rupees 1 lakh. And percentage change, we will use the right side of the top screen for calculations. Column D will be equal to 1 lakh divided by column A, 2 lakh multiplied by 100. This is equal to 50%. Let's move on to B, reserves and surplus. March 2019 figure 2 lakh. 31st March 2020 figure is also 2 lakh. Absolute change 2 lakh minus 2 lakh is nil, and therefore the percentage change is also nil. We have two non-current liabilities. Under that, A is long-term borrowings. $40,000, 1,60,000. Difference 1,20,000. And the answer for column D is 1,20,000 divided by 40,000 multiplied by 100. We have 300%. 3 is current liabilities. A, trade payables. Creditors. First column 60,000. Second column 1 lakh rupees. 40,000, column 3, and the last column it's 40,000 divided by 60,000 multiplied by 100. We get 66.67%. Next, we'll write the total. 5 lakh in the case of first column, 7,60,000 second column, 2,60,000. Difference between 7,60,000 and 5 lakh. And finally, for the column D, we have 2,60,000 divided by 5 lakh multiplied by 100. We have 52%. We'll move on to Roman number 2, assets. We have 1 as non-current assets. A, fixed assets. 3,60,000 first column, 5,60,000 the next column. Difference 2 lakh rupees. And for the final column, it's 2 lakh divided by 3,60,000 multiplied by 100. %55.56%. B is non-current investments. 40,000, first column. Second column is also 40,000. Absolute change is nil and percentage change is also nil. 2. Current assets. We have A, trade receivables. First column is 80,000, 1,20,000, difference 40,000, and the column D is 40,000 divided by 80,000 multiplied by 100, which is 50%. B, cash and cash equivalents. First column is 20,000, 40,000. The difference is 20,000 and the percentage change is 100%. Finally, the total, 5 lakh rupees, 7,60,000 rupees, 2,60,000 rupees, and we've already calculated the percentage change, 52%. The solution is done. We'll view the full answer. This is a question balance sheet given. Solution. The first screen. And this is the second screen.